Welcome to Math with Father. Welcome to Math with Father. Subscribe, like and share.
Hello class, welcome back to Math with Father. So before we begin this class, quickly solve this equation by finding the value of r in a minute. Comment your answer in the comment section, and I know most of you weren't able to do this within a minute. Guess what? After watching this video and a little bit of practice, you would be able to find all change of subjects questions or making any relation the subjects. Let's delve right quickly into this. So we have our equation 2p equals scale plus square root of scale squared plus r. Now we have three variables which are p, q and r, and we are to make or find the value of r. So questions of this kind, we have to make r stand at one side of the equation, and looking at our right hand side we have q and r, so meaning we have to shift all the q values to this side of the equation. Now we have 2p, this r q is taken to this side of the equation, and it becomes, so here is positive, so taking it to this side becomes negative, so we have negative q equals square root of q squared plus r. Okay, now our equation at our right hand side is under square root, and we have to take away the square root. Square root in simplest form means half, which is to the power 1 on 2. So if I want to get rid of this square root, meaning this half needs to be multiplied by its opposite or its inverse, that's the additive or multiplicative inverse, that's 2, and 2 goes into itself, 1, 2 goes into this one, so we have 1. So to neutralize or to normalize this square root, it needs to be multiplied by half, by 2. Now we have 2p minus q all squared equals the square root of q squared plus r all squared. So this is a binomial. This is a binomial, and we are to expand this. So we have numerous ways of expanding this binomial. So in our fundamental or from our basics, we know 2p minus q all squared is being expanded this way, 2p minus q, 2p minus q. Okay, so by this expansion we have 2p multiplying 2p gives us 4p squared, and 2p multiplying 2q minus q gives us minus pq, and q multiplying 2p gives us negative 2pq, and q multiplying negative q gives us plus q squared. So this is the expansion of this binomial. So this was what we were taught basically, but as we sojourn through mathematics, we know that we could also use the Pascal or the binomial theorem or the combination to also expand this binomial. So we have 4p squared minus 4pq plus q squared. So this is the expansion for this. So we have 4p squared minus 4pq plus q squared is equal to now expanding this also gives us q squared plus r because our square cancels this root, so remaining q squared plus r. So let's equate that one here, q squared plus r. Okay, so now we can move on to find our value r by taking q squared to this side of the equation. So we have 4p squared minus 4pq plus q squared minus q squared equals r. Our q squared is taken to this side and it gives us minus q squared. So by simplification, so we have 4p squared minus 4pq equals r. Now this is r, but we can keep on simplifying, and we have common terms in this expression, which is 4. We have 4p squared here, we have 4p here, so 4p out, we have p minus q, which is equal to r, and this gives us the value of r. So this is the expression when r is made the subject from our equation. So if this video was helpful, kindly subscribe and hit the like button and put me on post notification. Thank you. I'm out.